Hey everybody, in this video we have a Nissan door lock. I think it's from an Altima, I don't recall the year. I'm going to use the NSN14 8-cut Lishi to pick and decode it. There's a 10-cut version also for the ignition. You can use it on the door, but it doesn't read real well sometimes. The 8-cut though is usually reads perfectly. So I've already cut a key for it, so there's our key. And so this is one of the usually one of the easier Lishis to use. It's a good one to practice when you're starting out. Try to get the kind of the feel for it. I'm gonna make sure we got the tool all the way in here. Zoom in. All right, and so looks like we got odd numbers going down, even going up. So I'll start on 10 here. Nothing on 10, 9. 8, okay, 7 binding, got some rotation, a little click on 6, nothing on 5, a little click on 4, and nothing on 3 here. Okay, 9's binding, nice big click on 9, click on 8, 7 feels alright, 6 feels alright, okay, 5 is binding. Click on 5 and we are open. So not too bad to pick it. And then we'll go ahead and see if we can decode it here. So we're going to have 2. Try to keep it centered in the lock here when you're decoding. Makes it a lot easier. So 2, 3, 2, 3. 1, 1, 3, 2. Okay, so that was 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2. And run that through a code fill program. You get a couple of codes here. I just randomly picked one, put the first 2 cuts as 1, 2, and that's actually code 00795 if you were to look it up in Instacode or lock codes. And that's good look at what the key looks like cut to that bitting. So this key on this car, would you'd have to progress it to get the ignition cuts, but you would be able to start with the door lock here with the Lishi, and in a few minutes end up with a working ignition key. So anyway, you'll see the Lishi playlist floating on the bottom of the video here, like it always is. So you can check out the rest of the Lishi videos, and questions, comments, put them in the comments. And that's going to do it for now, guys. We will talk to everybody later.